part of its lung. Yeah, I believe that's it right there. Deer ran right around here, my target, right behind that mesquite. We're actually on the trail that it ran, which right there, there's the stand right there in the blinds. There we go. Got an 8-point 450 Bushmaster right there. Looking at about 18 wide, 16, 18. We're gonna get the tape measure out and actually see here in a second. A little bit of ground shrinkage on it. I was thinking these were thicker than what they were. But not too bad. Not too bad at all. Got meat in the freezer. There we go.
Yep. It's a video.